In today's video, I'm going to teach you Customize Dimension Style in Autodesk AutoCAD. If your drawings ever look inconsistent because dimensions don't match your standards, this quick walkthrough will help you take control. We'll keep it simple and focused, so you can get reliable, professional-looking dimensions every time. First, make sure your drawing is open and that the command line is visible at the bottom of your screen. In AutoCAD, most powerful tools live behind simple commands, and this is one of them. Type dimstyle into the command line and press Enter. This opens the Dimension Style Manager, which is the central place to edit how your dimensions look and behave. In the Dimension Style Manager, you'll see a list of styles available in your drawing. Select the dimension style you want to modify. This might be a default style like Standard or a custom style already used in your project. With it highlighted, click Modify. This opens a dialog with tabs where you can customize nearly every aspect of your dimensions, and you'll see a live preview so you can check your changes as you go. Inside Modify, explore the options thoughtfully. Under Lines, adjust the appearance of dimension lines and extension lines, including color, line weight, and baseline spacing for clarity. In Symbols and Arrows, set arrowhead types and sizes, so leaders and markers read cleanly at your plotted scale. The Text tab lets you control text style, height, color, placement, and offsets, ensuring labels are legible and not crowding geometry. The Fit tab helps balance text and arrows when space is tight, so AutoCAD decides whether to move text or flip arrows for the best result. Under Primary Units, define unit format, precision, rounding, and zero suppression to match your project's standards. If your work requires alternate units or tolerances, those tabs let you display secondary measurements or tolerance values consistently. As you make changes, keep an eye on the preview window. Small tweaks go a long way, and the preview helps you confirm that your arrows, text size, and spacing look right for your sheet scale. A practical tip: align text height and arrow size with your plotting scale so printed drawings are readable without being oversized. When you're done customizing, your changes will be stored in that dimension style, and any dimension using it will reflect your updates. That's all there is to it. By using dimstyle, selecting your style, and choosing Modify, you can standardize dimensions across your entire drawing with just a few thoughtful adjustments.